Hello student, today we start chapter 3rd of class 8th understanding quadrilateral. Topic on your screen, plane surface. What is plane surface? This paper is a model of plane surface. Paper is model for a plane surface because it having two dimension, length, breadth. Next one is plane curve. I am taking here dots, or we can say point also. Point A, point B, point C, point D. Now join these number of points without lifting your pen from a paper. I am starting from A to B, then C, then D, then A. Here I am using direction clockwise. Let me take another dot. Name of this P Q R S. Now I am joining it like this: P to S, S to R, R to Q, Q to P in anti-clockwise direction. These two figure is known as plane curve. प्लेन कर्व आपके पास वो फिगर होता है जब आप डॉट्स को बिना हाथ उठाए या तो क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में या फिर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में मिलाते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज पॉलीगन. पॉलीगन इज अ फिगर, a closed figure made up of line segment. Polygon, a simple closed curve is known as polygons. We can say this ABCD is also a polygon. Here we take some examples. That is polygon made up of line segment that I am giving its name LION is polygon because it made up of line segment. Next one is diagonals. L to I, that is side, I to O, side, O to N, also side, N to L is also side. Let I am joining N to I, L to O. N to I, L to O. These dots are non-consecutive points. L to O नॉन कॉन्जिक्यूटिव, लगातार नहीं है. N to I आपने ज्वाइन किया, वो भी लगातार नहीं है. If we join two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon is known as a diagonal. Diagonal, a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Polygon made up of line segment and a closed curve. Give its name. PQ, QR, RS, ST, TP. All are sides. Sides, PQ line segment, then QR, RS, ST, TP. Diagonals, join P to R. P से R को आप ज्वाइन करेंगे तो ये नॉन कंजिक्यूटिव पॉइंट्स है, नॉन कंजिक्यूटिव जो लगातार नहीं है. वन डायगनल, टू डायगनल, join R to T, third diagonal, T to Q, fourth diagonal, Q to S, fifth diagonal. Yes na? PR, RT, TQ, QS, PS. All are the diagonal of that figure, and this figure is a pentagon. We have so many polygons. It start from triangle. Then quadrilateral having 4 sides, then pentagon having 5 sides, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. And we have to find the diagonals of these polygons. Then the formula is n into n minus 3 by 2 to find the diagonals, where n is number of sides, where n is number of sides. See, here number of sides are 5. Put it 5. In place of n you will put 5 minus 3 by 2. 5 into 2 by 2 makes 5 diagonals. See, 1 2 3 4 5. कोई भी अगर आपके पास पॉलीगन है और आपने उसके डायगनल्स बताने हैं, सपोज करो यू हैविंग 11 गन, हाउ मेनी डायगनल ऑफ 11 गन? 11 गन मीन्स टू से हैविंग number of sides 11. Then we put it in formula n into n minus 3 by 2. We have 11 into 11. 11 minus 3 makes 8. See in rough area. Eleven 4 ja 44 diagonals of a 11 gun have. Okay, now we repeat it. Plane surface, this plane paper is known as plane surface. Plane curve, आप कोई भी डॉट्स लेते हैं, आपने इसको ज्वाइन किया 4 points, 3 points, 7 points, 6 point, that is also known as curve, simple curve. Polygon is made up of line segment, has closed figure like this. Diagonal, a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon called diagonals, and the formula to find the diagonal, that is n into n minus 3 by 2. Next one is the angle sum property. We know that sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree. Sum of a quadrilateral sum of angle of all quadrilateral is 360 degree. Then it comes pentagon. How much sum? That is 540. After hexagon, then heptagon. To find the angle sum property of any polygon, formula is n minus 2 into 180. Classification of polygons. Polygons made up of line segments. Smallest polygon is a triangle having 3 sides. See, figure of polygon is on your screen. How many sides it have? 1, 2, 3. Vertices 1, 2, 3. Angle 1, 2, 3. Number of sides 3. Dots also 3. Sample figure this one. Classification. What the name of this figure? Triangle. Let me take its name A, B, C. Number of diagonal a triangle have. See, when we join A to B, consecutive point, A to C, consecutive point, B to C, consecutive point, means to say it having no diagonal. Let we show. Formula to find the diagonal n into n minus 3 by 2. Put here n is 3, 3 minus 3 by 2, that is your rough work area. You also mark a line at the right side of your notebook and do rough work in this. 3 minus 3 makes 0, 0 by 2. If we multiply any number by 0, we got 0. Your diagonal is a 0. Now angle sum property. Formula is n minus 2 into 180, where n is a 3. 3 minus 2 into 180 makes 180 degree. Clear? Now the next. Next is how many sides? 4 sides. 4 side figure is known as quadrilateral. Here are so many types of quadrilateral, like rectangle, like parallelogram, like trapezium, square, kite, rhombus. Quadrilateral. How many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sides 1, 2, 3, 4. Angles 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrilateral having 4 sides, a closed figure called. Number of sides 4. Dots also 4. Sample figure. And its types we will discuss in our next exercise 3.4. Number of diagonals. Number of diagonals, put the value of n in formula. 4 minus 3 by 2. Cancel 2 from 2. 2 1 ja 2. Number of diagonals is 2. Angle sum property. 4 minus 2 into 180. 2 into 180 makes 360 degree. We know that sum of all angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. फर्स्ट 2 फिगर ट्राइंगल और क्वाड्रिलेटरल का आपको डायगोनल भी पता होता है, एंगल सम भी पता होता है इजीली, बट उसके बाद जो फिगर स्टार्ट होते हैं वहाँ पर हमें फाइंड करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. दैट्स वाई वी नीड अ formula which we already discussed. After 4 sides, number of sides are 5, called pentagon. A polygon having 5 sides called pentagon. See, pentagon is on your screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners, sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. Now we will find its diagonal. Formula n5, 5 minus 3 by 2, 5 into 2 by 2, diagonals are 5. Angle sum property. Directly we will put 5 minus 2 into 180, 3 into 180 makes 540 degree. After the pentagon, the polygon comes hexagon. Hexagon means to say how many sides? 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. See, hexagon is on your screen. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of sides. Vertex or dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of sides 6. Dots 6. Sample figure. Classification, it called hexagon. Diagonals. For diagonal, we will put it in the formula 6. 6 minus 3 by 2, cancel. 3 into 3 makes 9. Number of diagonals are here 9. Angle sum property. 6 minus 2 into 180. Multiply. Angle sum is 720. After the 6 sides, how much side? 7 sides. Let me try to make its figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of sides 7. Dots 7. Name of this figure is heptagon. Number of diagonal, now we will find. N is 7. 7 minus 3 by 2. 2 2s are 4 makes 14 diagonals. How many? 14 diagonals. Angle sum property. 7 minus 2 into 180. 5 into 180 makes 900. Next one is octagon. Octagon, how many sides? 8 sides. See, figure is on your screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The figure is known as octagon. Number of dots 8. Sides 8. Sample figure. Classification octagon. Number of diagonals now we will find. For the diagonal 8. 8 minus 3 by 2. 2 2 4 जा 8 में से 3 जाएगा 5 4 5 जा 20. After the figure hexagon, it is difficult to draw diagonals. That's why we only find by the formula how many diagonals this figure having. Angle sum property. 8 minus 2 into 180, 6 into 180, multiply 1080. That is the angle sum property of a octagon. You have to do the rough work at the right side of the page in your notebooks. Next is figure nonagon. Try to make its figure self. Number of sides 9, number of dots also 9, diagonals 9, 9 minus 3 by 2, 9 में से 3 गया 6 by 2 makes 18, 27 diagonals, 9 3s are 27. Angle sum property. Solving. Okay, 1260 sum, total sum. Next one is decagon. Decagon means to say number of sides 10. Diagonal we will find, that is 10. 10 minus 3 by 2 cancel, 2 5s are 10 minus 3 makes 7, 7 5s are 35. How much? 35 diagonals a decagon have. Angle sum property. 10 minus 2 into 180, 8 into 180, 1440 degree. After the decagon, 11 gun, 12 gun, 13 gun, 14 gun, 50 gun, up to n gun. Up to n gun means to say we don't know the last value of last side of a polygon. That's why we will call it a n gun. Okay. Here number of diagonals n into n minus 3 by 2, and here angle sum property of this figure n minus 2 into 180. Clear? Okay student, thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling everyone.